Imagine hiring an employee who works 24/7, never needs training twice, and uses your apps like a real human, all from your browser. That's what Warmwind promises. Your first AI cloud employee. Warmwind is not just a tool. It's a full-fledged AI operating system that runs agents, or what they call cloud employees. These agents open apps, click, type, drag, and interact with real software interfaces. No integrations, no APIs, no coding needed. Inside Warmwind, you get specialized agents for real work. A social media growth manager that finds trending topics, generates content, and posts it, all automatically. A customer support agent that handles emails, chats, Instagram DMs, Shopify orders, and even sends refunds if needed. It doesn't stop there. A recruiting assistant screens resumes, scans GitHub and LinkedIn, even sends coding tests and books interviews. An accounting agent extracts data from invoices, matches them to POs, logs entries, and generates reports, all in QuickBooks. A DevOps bot monitors site uptime and alerts the team in Slack if anything breaks. Want to scale? You can start with one agent and grow to 1,000. Set up your workspace, install your apps, give your agent some instructions, and let it run. Each agent runs in a locked-down container. You assign permissions like a real employee. If an agent ever tries to do something outside its job, it's blocked instantly, and you get alerted. Warmwind isn't using standard OCR or APIs. Their AI sees the screen like a human. It runs on a custom Linux kernel, with visual interfaces streamed directly to the browser. Think of it as a smarter remote desktop, but AI-driven. Warmwind is still in beta, but already powerful. They're planning voice commands, session replays, and smarter collaboration between agents. Over 12,000 are on the waitlist. You can still join. Links in the description, test it out, and comment below. What's the first task you'd give your cloud employee?